In this video, we'll look at requesting a carbon accounting record for our party. A carbon accounting record is a record of the changes in the amount of carbon in your forest land and the New Zealand units you have earned or had to pay for each of your carbon accounting areas. From our party homepage, we'll select Contact Te Rākau. We have a number of options for My Inquiry is About. Select Request Unit Balance Statement. Then we'll fill in some details for the subject and for the description, and select Next. A case is created in draft status. Select Submit. Te Rākau will take action based on the CAAs that you've requested information for. Let's navigate back to our party homepage. Scroll down the page and you can find the case you've created and the status. Thank you for watching our video on requesting a carbon accounting record for a party.